Okay, now let's talk about blend. It's another striking feature of Nano Banana. And how does it work? We have this beautiful model. We get it from Canvas. We also select this dress and we get it on Canvas. Not here, it will appear this little brush. So it's good if we want to be more precise. For example, we want to add some object in the scene in this particular part of the image. But right now, we are using the simple blend. So in here, I copy this prompt, which it works in most of the cases. Say blend the elements from both images seamlessly, maintaining realistic lighting, shadows, and perspective. Also, let's add uh, for background a sunny Malta for e-commerce shooting. So let's see what we generate, but note uh, the ratio, the final output, it will be from the first image selected. So this one is 1-to-1 ratio. So we keep the consistency of the first image ratio. So let's blend this. As you can see, we have this beautiful girl with the same dress of the reference image 2 in a sunny Malta. And as you know, here in Figma, you can use the native uh, parameters, so you can give a little bit of contrast. You can adjust the shadow, make it a bit more interesting. As you can see, you need to balance the image generated because it already has the shadows, so it's really accurate, and the pictures looks um, really done from a professional photographer. Okay, guys, now let's talk about another example. What we want to do, we would like to blend this logo on the right to the shirt on the first image. So let's get it from canvas. Let's select the second image. Now where we want to add our logo, let's say here. As you can see, we have focus or reference image painted area 1 on the bottom right with 1 point. Blend the elements from both images seamlessly, maintaining realistic lighting, shadow, and perspective. Let's see. As you can see, the logo is blending perfectly to the image, taking as a reference the brush point. We add it here. So you can use this pointer to be more accurate, to point uh, the second image reference to the first image reference.